Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Hanson here. So, right now we are going to work on this paper that says exclamations. So, we need this paper and a pencil. So, if you guys need to pause it and get that, you can do that. Mrs. Hanson's going to use a pen so you guys can see my writing. We have exclamations, so we get to practice writing and using our exclamation points. So when you use an exclamation point, that means you say something with a lot of feeling or a lot of excitement. Like, hey, look out! Or I love to eat chocolate. So I'd say, I love to eat chocolate. I would put an exclamation point after that because I'm saying that with a lot of feeling and excitement, right? Or be like, I am so happy. So I'm saying that with a lot of feeling or expression. And I was going to hold a paper for you guys to see, but we have someone who's trying to be Mrs. Hanson's assistant. And he thinks he's doing a good job helping, but he just lays on my paper and knocks down my pen all the time. I think he misses you guys. Opie's my good buddy, huh? So he just laid on the paper, so then I wasn't able to even pick it up. So let's see if he'll stay on my lap. So I know as soon as I pick this up, he's going to go lay right in that spot. Look. There he goes with his big puffy tail. You can't even see my face. So, Opie, no. So, for our first sentence, it says, the pie is hot. So when I say the pie is hot, I need to say it with a lot of expression and feeling because it has what at the end? Say it with me. Exclamation point. So this is how I would read the sentence with the exclamation point. The pie is hot. I'm saying it with a lot of feeling. I'm not just saying the pie is hot. So you know the difference between that, me saying the pie is hot compared to the pie is hot. I'm saying it with more expression. I'm saying it a little bit louder too, right? So then our next one, spaghetti is so good. So that's the way I would read it with my expression, with my feelings, right? I wouldn't say the spaghetti's good. That's boring. I'm not saying that with an exclamation point, right? I'm going to say the spaghetti is so good. Then our next one. Carrots are my favorite snack. So I'm saying it with more expression and feeling. It's your favorite snack, you're not just gonna be like, carrots are my favorite snack. No, you're gonna be excited about it because you love eating carrots or whatever your favorite snack might be, right? So make sure when you see that exclamation point, you know you're really excited about it, or you have a lot of feelings about it, and you might want to just jump and shout and be like, "I love carrots." So we're doing number one and number two here at the bottom. So, what do you guys notice about our sentence? We have we love popcorn. What do you notice? So, with our word we, it's at the beginning of a sentence. So, what is it missing? It's missing a capital letter. So, this is what I want you to do right underneath on that line. I want you to rewrite your word we, capital, because it's at the beginning of the sentence. And if we love popcorn, how are we going to say we love popcorn? Are we going to say, we love popcorn? Or are we going to say, we love popcorn? We're going to say with a lot of feeling, we love it. It's so delicious, right? So we get to draw an exclamation point because we are so excited about the popcorn. So right here, we are going to make our exclamation point. So we have our line. It does not go all the way down. So you see how Mrs. Hanson has hers? Go a little bit past that dotted line, stop. And then I have my dot down there, just like a period. So you can see my line doesn't go too far past my dotted line. And then I stop so I have enough room for my dot so my dot and my line don't touch. So what do you guys notice about our next sentence? It says, let's bake bread. What are we missing? We're missing two things. Well, first of all, what do we need at the beginning of our sentence? Always a capital letter. So the L in the word let's needs to be capitalized. So underneath on that line, I want you to write the word let's. And it has a little apostrophe there for in between our T and our S. We haven't practiced writing apostrophes yet. So I have the word let. See how I have my capital L and then I put my apostrophe right up there. It's kind of like a little dash, like a comma. It's like a comma in the air. Remember we started working on commas? It's like a comma, but it's a comma in between our top solid line and our dotted line right here. So you guys can make those, no problem. We just need a little dash. And then if we're going to say let's bake bread, if you really want to bake bread, baking bread's your favorite thing to do. And be like, hey, let's bake some bread. Or you're going to say, let's bake bread. We're going to be excited about it. So we're going to say it with a lot of feeling and expression. So what do we need? What is that thing called? An exclamation point, because we are excited about baking bread. So we have our capital letter at the beginning, exclamation point. Capital letter at the beginning, exclamation point. That is all I need for this one. And I want to make sure that you guys are practicing. So practice reading these text sentences. The pie is hot. The spaghetti is so good. And carrots are my favorite snack. Practice reading those to whoever you are with today, to read them with expression, to use that exclamation point because you are excited and you want to show feeling when you're reading those sentences. And that's what the exclamation point does. So I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.